Hello dear students, I hope you're all fine. Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision YouTube channel of Kottayam Don Bosco College. I am Rania, faculty member of PG Department of English. In today's session, I am dealing the paper Communicative Applications in English, which is the open course offered by English Department for Semester 5 UG students under Kerala University. In today's class, I am discussing two new topics. That is, first one is Symposium and another one is Caption Writing. So it is included in your fourth module. The first one is Symposium. Symposium, the term may be not familiar to you. It is actually a conference or a meeting which is held in an academic setting. The speciality of Symposium is several speakers will speak on a particular topic on that day. And it is purely held in an academic setting, and the speakers must be the experts of that field. Another thing is, they deliver their viewpoints on the chosen topic. For example, if the speech is on the topic energy, all the speakers will explain their different notions on energy. So some discuss about renewable energy sources, some others discuss about non-renewable energy sources. So on the basis of the topic energy, all the speakers will speak. Another speciality is it covers a single topic or a subject and it will be completed within one day. That is another speciality of Symposium. Next one is how to organize a symposium. This is very important. So, in order to organize a symposium, so what will you do first? The first thing you have to do is you have to issue a call for papers, because it is like seminar. Symposium is like seminar. So, you have to issue call for papers on the particular subject. The next stage is, when you receive a lot of papers from all around your educational institution, you have to select the good presenters. Okay, so on the basis of the abstract they are sending, you have the panel, or the panel will select the good presentation. So the second stage is selection of suitable papers by a panel. And the third stage is presentation on the symposium day. So in that day, you have to begin a symposium with welcome remarks by the host. Suppose you are the host and you should deliver the welcome remark. Next one is introduction by the moderator. Definitely, since it is a seminar, definitely there will have a moderator. So second stage is introduction by the moderator. Third one is keynote address about the theme. So it must be an expert. So when you select a particular subject, you should call an expert and the keynote address will present by that expert. Next stage is panel discussion. After that, candidates presentation. So at the last stage, there will have a question and answer session. So this is the usual stages, or this is the usual steps of a seminar presentation, especially in the case of symposium. And the last stage is, after this presentation, the host will publish the presented papers on a particular journal or online magazines. So these are the various steps of the symposium. Okay dear students, I hope you understood what is symposium. Next topic we are discussing is caption writing. Okay, you are all familiar with the term caption. So what is a caption? Yes, it is the description of an image. So whenever an image is given, when you started writing a description, that is a caption. So description in order to describe. Okay, description, that is to describe a particular image. Okay, in the academic sense, let's take what is a caption. So caption is words that go with an image to explain what is happening in the photo. There are two terms associated with this, captions and cutlines. Okay, let's say what is the difference between this captions and cutlines. The first one is captions. So what is caption? As I mentioned, it is the words that go with an image to explain what is happening in the photo. That means title headlines of the cutline. Then what is a cutline? Cutlines are words under the caption describing the photograph or illustration. For example, in newspapers, suppose the image is present. Under the image, there is a description is there. Okay, there is a description. So such description is known as a cutline. Then within one or two sentences, the image is described. That is a caption. So caption and cutline. So that is the difference between caption and cutline. Next one is, there are certain rules to write captions. So captions for photojournalism must be written in a standard way. Captions have two sentences. The first line should give the information of 5 W's and 1 H. The second sentence gives additional information. It should be relevant to the photo. So caption writing is an important thing in photojournalism. Okay, so I have already mentioned the difference between captions and cutlines. Captions usually have two sentences. It can be vary. Okay, usually captions have two sentences. The first sentence described 5 W's and 1 H. So what is this 5 W's and 1 H? Yes, the question words. Who, what, where, which, why. So answer to these questions. The first sentence should give the answer to these 5 questions. Then, so 5 W's and 1 H. And what about the second sentence? It can be additional information. Okay, next thing. You should follow the standards of accuracy, clarity, completeness and good writing style. So when you write a caption, follow accuracy, then clarity and correctness. So clarity means it should be clear, then accurate, then also complete. Within 2 sentences you should describe the image. Then it must be crisp. So crisp and clear. Captions must be crisp and clear, and it must be readable and informative. So usually in images, along with images, we used to see captions. It must be readable. When you write caption, it must be readable and also informative. Okay, dear students, now I would like to give you certain tips for writing captions. And for your university examination, 2 more questions will be asked to write captions. So when you write caption, it should be concise. So first tip is be concise. Second one is avoid the known and explain the unknown. So when an image is presented, when you write a caption, avoid the known and explain the unknown. The known we can see and understand while seeing that picture. Okay, so avoid known and focus on the unknown. Then third tip is reflect the image. That means in the caption, the words used in the caption must reflect the image. So reflect the image. And the fourth tip is it must be error free. When you write a caption, it must be error free. Then be accurate. It must be clear and accurate. Then caption should add new information. Don't merely repeat the summary. So when an image is presented, when you write a caption, it should give a certain additional information. So it can add new information. Don't merely repeat the summary. And the final tip is you must use conversational language in caption writing. It is best because the captions, when the common public see the caption, they can be understand very well. So you must use conversational language. And here I am giving certain images and captions. Please go through it and do the homework and send me back through WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice time.